the Leprechaun, mischievous little creatures of Irish folklore. These little buggers certainly love their gold, but they also love quite a few other things that Irish lands are known for. Good day, adventurers. I am the Apprentice, and today we are going to be talking about our St. Patrick's Day scent profile, the Leprechaun.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video for Fable Beard Company. If you are here for tricks, tips, or epic stories all beard related, well, you're in the right place. I'm the Apprentice, and today we are going to be talking about the Leprechaun, our St. Patrick's Day, one of our St. Patrick's Day scent profiles that we are bringing to you. Now, before we get started and I bring my thoughts and my opinions on this character, I want to hear what you guys have to say. Comment down below if you have tried the Leprechaun. What are your thoughts on it? What do you think it smells like? Have you even been to Ireland, and can you associate any of those smells from Ireland with the Leprechaun also? If you have not tried it, comment down below. Are you excited about the idea of having it? What do you think it might smell like before you try it? I'm very curious. The Leprechaun has a very nice scent profile in my opinion. We got green clover, fresh rosemary, black pepper, and Irish mist. These are some things that, in the time that I have been to Ireland, those are things that I have smelled and really enjoy. One of my favorite parts of Ireland, and it sounds a little weird, but was the grass there. I grew up in Florida, and so I had to deal with a lot of St. Augustine grass. It is thick grass, but it's not, in my opinion, not very soft. But the time that I had spent in Ireland, some of the softest, best smelling grass that I have ever had. So when I smell the Leprechaun, I can't help but take myself back to the time that I have spent in Ireland. It is that fresh clover that you smell. It's also that rosemary. It's all pleasant, clean, healthy, natural smells that I'm getting from the Leprechaun. But also, you get that mist. And the black pepper, there's a little bit of a kick to it, a little bit of a bite, same kind of bite that you would get from a Leprechaun. Now, I will say for the Leprechaun, it's not for everybody. I have seen and have heard some different comments that are not what I would typically say. They say that it smells closer to like zinc, like money, pennies, gold even maybe. And nothing wrong with that. The characters that we have, the profiles reflect a lot of what the characters may represent. So the Leprechaun, they have a love for gold and mischief. So maybe Leprechaun popped into a couple of our batches and put a little bit of gold magic in there. So if you're picking up on a gold smell for the Leprechaun, well, that might be your own perception regarding the character. There's an influence that we have over the profiles and scents that we have, but also you have an influence over yourself regarding the kinds of characters you're seeing. So if you think of gold when you are seeing the Leprechaun, that's probably why you're smelling it. Now, we all have our different opinions, and there's nothing wrong with the idea of you not enjoying certain characters that we put out. That is okay. You don't need to have it. We have plenty of characters that I'm sure you do enjoy. So I am curious, comment down below. I already mentioned about saying what you do enjoy about the Leprechaun. But, you know, we're an open channel, so I'm very curious about your thoughts if you don't like it. And that is okay if you don't. Like I said, we have plenty of different characters for you to choose from, and maybe the Leprechaun just rubbed you the wrong way, and that is completely fine. So, to summarize for the Leprechaun, this is one of our St. Patrick's Day scent profiles that we have, having the smell of green clover, fresh rosemary, Irish mist, and black pepper. What are your thoughts? We're always curious to hear what you guys think of some of the characters that we put out for you. As always, if you go to buy something from Fable Beard Company, please put in the discount code The Apprentice to get 25% off your next purchase. And as we always say here at Fable Beard Company, may your beards be forever blessed, and may luck of the Irish, forever be upon your door. Have a good day.